I took in a farmer's field.
It's not even working.
Time to kill. Nobody's gonna get hurt.
Turn on the next one.
I will, but I'm not in his break. I'm real pissed because
I know.
I just want those chicken fries.
Girl, you don't think I want those chicken fries?
I do. I just want to dip them in my barbecue and ranch and honey mustard, but sometimes things don't go your way.
I know you gotta just keep on trucking through the hard times.
You have to keep on trying because people lead you astray and they think it's funny.
You just gotta get back on that road and go get your chicken fries.
Gotta get back on that dirt road.
Is this a real road? Because this looks a little sketchy. I don't think you're going the right way, girl.
Just keep going
Don't
straight.
get hit by no trains now. That's how Bobby Joe died.
You love chicken fries? I can smell them. Russell! Mamas don't let me be.
Mama,
I felt myself moving and it scared me.
Grew up to be cowboys. Did you change it?
Yeah.
Katie! Let them be lawyers and doctors and such. Endure one subscription. It's not.
What's the largest chicken fries you have? Can we get 2 12 pieces?
Anything else tonight?
And then one more 12 piece.
Really?
Okay.
And that's all. Where I come from.
There's a drop tailgate and a field of corn.
Where I come from.
I got an ice cold beer in a creek at 2 a.m.
Where I come from.
I got a beer in my hand and some honeybees.
You're my.
I'll be your strong and steady. You be my soft and sweet. I'll be your honeybee.
You should with
What? It's really hot in this car.
I'm gonna play laser tag. It's gonna be stellar and awesome.
Love me. No one else I'd rather love. See the way you put your arms around me. The way you love me. Whoa, 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 you love me. Oh.
He's like, we're like in the parking lot right next to Laser Quest. Are you recording me?
No.
Katie and Ruffles is here and then her friend Joe is coming. Okay, well, hurry. Okay, bye.
It's a castle. Wow. About to play Laser Quest.
Welcome to Laser Quest. I'm the Beer Marshal for your mission. My code name is Ray. What's my name?
Ray.
Awesome. Right now, your guys' mission is to your code name is loud as possible. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Guilty. This is it? You can't see anything. You cannot see me, but we're getting taken over from all corners here. We need help.
I'm turbo getting ready. You're right, my makeup's not ready.
Hey up, Slowpoke. My brother.
Russell, have you seen the music? Have you seen the music?
Because it was too dark, so I'm sorry about that. We need a new camera, which we should be getting soon. 300 HS. So we turn that flow up. Got another bar. That's stupid. Petty.
It's pretty bad. We're just sitting here. There's no hot girls at all.
There's a few.
Sausages.
sausage fest, pretty much.
Yeah, someone puked all over the counter and the floor. As I was walking out of the bathroom, he walks in there and it smelled like puke. I came out here and puke everywhere. It was disgusting. Very disgusting.
I wasn't there for that.
It wasn't. Yeah, it's just some weirdos here. Feel like 8 Mile right now. I'm gonna enter some rap battles.
Hey, look at that meme.
Hey, that
Hey, oh shit,
20-inch rim.
That's like class, Black Hawk 22.
Hey. Jordan, you're too drunk. Jesus.
I'm fucked up.
Jesus.
Just drunk as I've been in months. I spilled the beer all over Katie. I'm sorry.
That's pretty messed up. That's my wife.
You know what? I'm sorry.
It's okay. Look at that.
She handed me the beer, I spilled it.
Ah!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I don't
want no group hug.
My pants are all wet and
Let's
so
hear
is my
that.
shirt.
Let's hear that gravy.
Literally, from here,
I don't have gravy. I can't say it.
from nipple to right here.
I'm wet with beer.
Where are you at? Right here?
No, with
I'm actually wet kind of like right around here.
Like, I'm seriously wet from here to here. Feel.
cabbage.
You're not that wet.
Oh,
I don't care.
all right, I gotta take some calls. You what? I gotta take some calls. Video.
I'm pissed. At least I made He's good.
No, he's not.
He thinks he's good.
He does. Too bad I missed it. We're at Denny's once again.
I think I saw him at
I come here every day.
The ghost is here too.
Dude, she's fine.
Some fresh puppies.
You got it on you. You got it on you. You got it on you.
Had me a puppy. I'm gonna eat dog for my first time.
You're hot, honey. I told you.
Fucking hot.
I told you.
I don't want it.
Because they're hot. Straight held it to my chest.
I hate you, Russell.
They were sitting up
Do
You
the
don't
cheese
recognize
thingy.
my accomplishments at laser tag.
Do the cheese. Do the cheese.
I'll cry instead.
Oh, oh! Eat that. Eat it.
No, it didn't. Did it?
Oh no!
That's right. John knows how to get it out.
Yeah,
Is it on the
used to this.
gravy?
So let me tell you about. Oh. We good to go? All right.
Oh, gravy.
So tonight we had a great time. We went out to the Blue Spark. We went out to Jimmy's. I didn't even have to fucking pay a cover charge because of her right there. Because she's such an amazing person. Didn't have to pay a cover charge.
I paid for you too, asshole. And him, and him, and him.
Everybody at this table, except for her, she didn't pay for her. Him, me, him.
Because I'm.
We rock. because she paid. I'm fucked up.
IDENPE got for dinner. And he got a green one.
I love you, baby. Oh, kiss me.
Wait. Oh, you're so sloppy. You're such a sloppy.
Look at our baby. This is our.
I see you out, slay you alive. One more word and you won't survive.